Lockdown is here in England and many parts of the UK again. Did you know there's a way of making money from your drone during lockdown, open even to hobbyists? Let me explain. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. This is a channel focused on drones and tech. We bring you the latest drone news, interviews, how-tos and live streams. For more content like this, subscribe. Today, I am talking specifically to the hobbyist drone flyers across the UK and England in particular, where we're all about to enter another month of lockdown. For many, there is going to be a lot of downtime, either through the time they would normally spend on their drone flying hobby, or those on furlough. Well, today we're bringing you a way to earn money from your drone as a hobbyist without a PFCO, in fact without even turning on your drone. How? Sell your drone footage and pictures via online stock footage sites. But wait, Sean, you need a PFCO to sell your footage and carry out commercial work. We'll come on to that, but the short answer is no, not in this situation. Since the first round of lockdown in the UK and the continuation of social distancing, many hobbyist flyers with footage on YouTube and Facebook have been approached by media and TV production companies to use their footage. This is because efforts to buy in the footage rather than send a film crew out to gain new footage is a preferred method wherever possible of many production companies. It makes sense that using a piece of footage of a local area filmed on a decent drone is going to be a safer way to add B-roll to many TV productions. However, you'll often find that these same production companies will only provide you with a credit at the end of the show rather than any form of payment. This is great and a fun way to see your hobby and hard work on the TV, but there is another way you can actually earn from the footage as a hobbyist. We are all aware that to carry out commercial work with a drone you need at the very least a PFCO, permission for commercial work from the UK CAA. Few people have issue with this from a safety and general point of view. However, there is nothing stopping you from taking your back catalogue of flights, clipping them into interesting clips of either specific or general subjects, and then listing them as for sale. The Air Navigation Order wording, as enforced by the CAA, states that the flight needs to be operated under contract or with the intention of earning money from it to be classed as commercial. For instance, one of the tests the CAA tell flyers to apply is, if I were not receiving payments or valuable consideration, would I still be looking to fly? There are caveats here. This doesn't give you the ability to open a stock footage business and travel the UK gaining new shots specifically for this, and we would recommend that you include genuine back catalogue footage and pictures, so at least 30 to 60 days old. For those of us sitting on a large amount of footage and pictures like this, stored on our external drives, this could be a good use of downtime during the lockdown, which could end up earning some decent money. In terms of what to upload, take a look at other footage and pictures on stock sites and try to make decent length clips as high quality as you are able to. Consider that many companies purchasing this type of footage will be doing so for a wide range of reasons. It could be to use as B-roll to show context of an area, or footage of weather type or buildings. Most of the sites will ask for keywords to help people find your footage. Use these and try to think of as many words to describe your footage as you can. Of course, once the EASA regulations are in place throughout the UK at the end of the year, you'll be able to monetize your drone in many more exciting ways. For more on this, you can find our UK EASA playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
What are you still doing here? You know the drill. The show's over. You don't get to be here after this. Embarrassing me all the time.